Alright, we can't finish this. My wipe myself and try again.
Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn.
And I'm Ariel.
And today we have a very special video for you guys. So as you know, Spice came out with a makeup line and we have her eyeshadow palettes and her brushes here to review. So if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned and keep watching.
Yeah. So, if you guys don't know Spice, her real name is Grace Latoya Hamilton. She was born on the 6th of August, 1982. And she's professionally known as Spice. She's a Jamaican singer, songwriter, and recording artist. She started her career in the early 2000s with one of her major successes in 2009 with Vybz Kartel. Do you know the song?
Oh, when a night. And ever since 2009, she's been running the dancehall game for about 10 years. With hits like Summer Like It, Cool It, Romantic Mood,
Needle Eye.
Needle Eye. She's literally been killing the game. She's also been very vocal about issues like classism, colorism, and women's rights here in Jamaica, being one of the few like popular female dancehall artists. One of the things that was at the forefront of all of this was one of her hits on her latest album, Black Hypocrisy.
Spice has also been on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. She recently joined the cast, I think in 2018, and she also recently started doing this little talk show with Magnum, so you guys should definitely check that out. It's really fun, it's really nice. Who doesn't want more Spice? Her company started out with selling like wigs and hair and stuff, and she recently launched the makeup and the brushes, and we copped that for you guys so we could review it. Alright, so the palette and the brushes came in this really cute purple satin bag. It has the name of the company, the logo, all the handles and email addresses and stuff. The website, really nice, really cute, and when you pop it open, you got the brush set.
This is actually really cute. It's like a sparkling mic and it has like a silver. It's literally a mic, guys. I don't know if you can.
Can you guys see
Can
it?
you guys see? Ooh, and in true Spice nature,
They're blue.
they're blue. This color is literally. Ooh.
I think they have they look like a bluey thing. Flute? No, it's not a flute. Piper? Peter Pepper? You know the thing that he blows like this?
A recorder?
No, it's not a recorder. See that?
Oh, it's a flute.
Yeah.
I never even noticed
it looks
that.
like a flute, so it has the holes and stuff in it.
That's actually cool.
Yeah. Okay, so the brush set comes with 10 brushes.
Actually, it's 9 brushes. Yeah, it comes with 9 brushes. Also, guys, we only bought
one
of each thing because, like, the total price I think was about $100.
First of all, it costs $15 for shipping. $15
Seriously?
to bring it to a US address. I don't remember how much it was to send it to Jamaica.
And the brush set itself alone was like $70.
$70.
So we just bought one of each thing to review. So
broke.
It's supposed to come with a foundation brush, a powder brush, an eyeshadow brush, a concealer brush, blending brush.
Sorry.
Alright, so the set comes with a foundation brush, a powder brush, an eyeshadow brush, a concealer brush, a blending brush, a brow spoolie, a lip brush, an angle brush, and a fan brush. So, you're supposed to...
I'm trying to hold on. I keep saying this stuff fast. Oh, also it came with a little sponge in a little bag.
Yeah. The next thing that we have is the piano palette, and this is described on the site as something that was created by Spice, simple to spice up your lids. She specially handpicked these 12 super pigmented shades, I cannot read, and named them from some of your favorite genres mixed with some of her biggest hits. But just like off first glance, I can tell that there's a lot of shimmer colors, like
There's
a decent
9.
amount. So the palette itself retails for $39.99 or $40 basically. And you know, we'll test out the quality and stuff afterwards, but just off first glance, the packaging is cute. It has a mirror.
Yeah, the mirror is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap, but it doesn't feel
super sturdy.
Super sturdy. But it's still nice. It's really nice though.
The fact that Spice is the blue shade,
yes,
makes sense. 100% makes sense.
Okay, so we just did our eyebrows off camera. We used the spoolie Love it. It's really soft but still firm. You know those smoothies that like scrape your skin?
It's actually really
This is really nice.
It was really soft and it blended out the pigment. I used shadow on my eyebrows and it blended it out well.
And I used pencil on mine and it did a really good job.
I also used this angled brush. It doesn't have a number or anything, but I'm gonna assume it's the angled brush. I used that one to actually fill in my eyebrows with eyeshadow, and it worked really well. It's really precise. The angle it doesn't fray or anything. Like it's not super thick to where the angle is like it's taking up like a whole heap of product. So it's like I can get the strokes.
So now we're about to do our actual eyeshadow.
I'm gonna initially recreate one of her looks, but just looking at the palette, there's 9 shimmers and only 3 matte colors.
And the matte colors are dancehall, which is black, R&B, which is a shocking pink, and a romantic mood, which is like a deep plummy.
It's a really pretty color. Yeah, and basically for my skin tone, I like to use transition colors, so like browns or nudes. Like I understand you don't want like a nude palette or anything, but it would have been nice to see at least like
1 or 2 shades.
Transition shades. Like the colors are really pretty and beautiful, but just for like practicality, you cannot like just go in with shimmers.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a look with just this palette, and Sinara is gonna do one where she can take colors from other palettes.
Yeah, we're still gonna try to recreate her look and see if we can get it with just this palette or if it's better with another palette.
Yeah.
Just to remind you guys, this palette does cost $40, so I would assume that if I paid $40 for a palette, that I would have all the shades that I need to use in the palette.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with what appears to be a romantic mood on her eyes to run that like through my crease. I don't know what brush this is.
Okay, so this is gonna be the blending brush, and then this is the eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe palette. This is my Morphe 15B palette, and then I'm just gonna use the shade Forever. I'm just gonna use this in my transition.
And I'm gonna take romantic mood. Alright, so here we go with romantic mood.
I like the way the brush itself is blending.
Yeah, this brush is doing a really good job.
Yeah, these brushes are really soft.
And this shade is blending out really well. Wow. I've only dipped in like twice.
It's really pigmented. Now I'm also gonna go in with the shade Romantic Mood just to build up that purple that she has in the picture.
We don't know if these are the colors that she used in the palette. We're just assuming because she took the picture with the palette in her hand for the shoot. So we're assuming that this is what she used to create the look.
It's not playing very dark on my eyes, like darker than it is on you.
That looks so stupid. Oh.
Okay, so I'm just using a regular Ego Tools blending brush. This isn't a spice brush because
if anybody would like to send us another set of brushes, go ahead.
By all means. This is actually blending out really well.
Yeah, they blend out really well. I'm shook.
Wow, am I spicy?
Based on this picture, it looks like she just had on 3. A gold, a crease color, and the blue under her eyes. And a little bit of highlight at the top, which I'm assuming is sheet. And probably reggae mixed together. But I'm gonna take reggae and put that all over my eyelid. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Look at pigment. Look at pigment.
Guys, I'm shook. Sinara,
are you
beating spice along with it?
Are you?
This eyeshadow look is very ugly.
Oh my god. You look so Why do you look like that? Oh, you look so stupid.
Okay, I'm gonna scrap that doing spice thing. I'm gonna try to save this, guys.
Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna go into, guys, I'm gonna use Hip Hop, which is this dark brown. It's not even that dark, but it's like a brown shimmer.
It looks like a color that you always use.
Facts. But I'm just gonna lay that down first just to see what's happening, and then, you know, we'll kick it up with the yellow.
Wow.
Ariel,
listen, spice is onto something.
guys, please do not use a lot.
Yeah, please don't use. We can't finish this. Maybe use that again. That red.
Ariel's gonna start over. As you can see, The way the colors, this brown, the way the colors are blending on her eyes compared to my skin tone is just, it's not working.
Completely different.
It's really not working.
So I'm just gonna make a look out of the eyeshadows. I'm not gonna bother with the Hey Let Me Recreate Spices look because
it's not working.
It's not it.
Yeah. I'm not like, I wouldn't send you a look some. God no, I wouldn't send you a look some. No man, it not work.
Alright, take 2. Forever.
It's a big up song.
Right. I'm starting over with Forever from the 15D palette.
From the Morphe palette.
The Morphe palette.
The payoff on the eyeshadow is very glittery. Like, very glittery. There's a lot of fallout. I don't really mind fallout. I don't really care. But
if you're somebody who's bothered by that.
That's also another thing. Like, another slight issue that I have with the brush set. I feel like for $70, I feel like I need more eyeshadow brushes. Like, I feel like I need at least like 4 or 5 eyeshadow brushes alone. I don't know how many came. I don't know. I just feel like we need more blending brushes.
It has eyeshadow brush, concealer brush, blending brush, angle brush, fan brush, lip brush. So there's only really like 2.
I don't know, broski. I feel like we need at least like 4 eyeshadow brushes for a $70 brush set, if you feel me. The brushes do perform like really well. It's just that usually you use at least like 4 brushes on your lids in general. So especially to create like a look that she has, the look that she has advertising the product.
Did you use another shimmer?
It's
like mixing it the purpley and giving a really nice different color glitter.
Oh wow, I actually really like how the matte blends with the shimmer.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
But that's another thing. I never actually like
wanted them to do.
No, it's not I didn't want it, but it's like I never bring the brush down that low. So it's like the shimmer doesn't stay.
Oh.
Yeah, you know when you lay down a shimmer and you're just blending the edges?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the glitter itself, like
it moves around a lot.
It moves around. Which can be good or bad depending. If you're going for like a really tight crease, you just have to lay that and that's it. You can't blend it out. Can you guys see this? She's only trying to put 1 dot and she's digging up my entire palette.
I'm gonna take Romantic Mood now and put it like slightly out of V, and then I'm gonna darken it up with Dancehall.
Makes sense. Okay, so now I'm gonna put Reggae directly on my lid, and I'm just gonna put the slightest amount. I'm just gonna see if I can build up to that yellow that she has, but I don't want to dip into the glitters that much yet because I don't know how it's gonna perform on top of each other. So let's go.
Okay, so Romantic Mood is on my outer V right now. It's doing well. I like it.
I think it works better if you build it up. Yeah, don't go just like dipping with the shadow and then just wipe it on. Literally the slightest tap. It just, I don't know why, if I need a sharper brush. But like I lay it down and it ends up like above where I lay it down. I don't even think she has a cut crease. It seems like I think it's blended. This doesn't look like a cut crease.
Alright, so I'm putting Genie all over my eyelid.
Why is this happening? Guys, I want to let you know that this is the strangest thing that ever happened. I don't know if it's because I am not a makeup artist or my skills aren't that, you know what I'm saying? But when I laid the shimmer down and then I tried to like blend it, because I'm not going for like a cut crease, so I'm just trying to like blend the edges, it doesn't stay. Like the shimmer ends up everywhere, like it goes all over the lid. And I'm not like putting the brush down here, I'm literally just trying to blend out the edges and
it's everywhere.
It's everywhere. And then like I try to dip back in the shadow. So I'd suggest like if you're using these shimmers, do like a cut crease or somewhere where you just lay it flat.
Probably a weighty brush.
Really?
Or spray like setting spray on it and then go into the shimmer and then put it on.
Oh, I wonder if I can do that. Oh yeah, setting spray will probably just make it stay one place.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take, Sinara said I should take Soca and put on my inner corner.
It's risky.
I don't know it's winner, but we're gonna do it, you know, for the vibes.
Usually I use Morphe and Juvia's Place, and neither one of those palettes, the shimmer is moved to the point where when I blend them out, they end up to the top of my eyelid. So I'm gonna try one more time with a clean brush. Okay, so I'm using a clean Real Techniques brush, and then I'm gonna go back into Romantic Mood, and then I'm gonna see if that helps. I'm just gonna try and lay it on top of where all that glitter is, just to see if that'll calm it down. Did it ruin it?
I don't know. Was it good before?
I think that helped, but it just made my inner way darker than I wanted it to be. This is a lot to to be honest. And you guys know I'm the type of person that does my eyeshadow in like 2 seconds.
You think so?
Well, I like to.
Think that you do. You literally take 5 years to do everything.
Then let's see if this works. Oh shoot. Oh no.
What happened? Did you wipe it off?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, definitely. Okay, don't do this.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that, guys.
Alright, so I'm gonna take dancehall. I'm gonna take dancehall and put it on the outer part of my eye to give me a little smokier look. I've never put on a black eyeshadow before. Let's see how this goes. As I said, this is the Morphe E18 brush.
Okay, tap it, guys. Do not wipe. Okay, then I'm just gonna let that dry and then see if I can blend the edges. I think I wiped off all of the yellow. It changed color, didn't it?
It turned to like a
yellow, orange, rose gold.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yay!
This is a very weird palette.
Okay, so I'm trying this again to get back the original color, the yellow.
Do not layer these shimmer colors, guys.
I think I see the problem. They need something to stick to. Cause look at it now. It needs something to stick to. So like when I put the setting spray on first and it was kind of wet.
And then you put the eyeshadow on top.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So it just probably needs something to stick to.
Okay guys, you heard it here first.
So for one, don't swipe.
Tap and make sure you're tapping it onto something wet, I guess.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with sheet on my inner corner. This is a really bright white. So I'm just gonna tap it very, very lightly. This is not the right brush, but I wanted to use this brush. Okay guys, so we just finished up our eyeshadows and we primed our skin. We put our lashes on and everything. Hopefully it looks good from
all the way over there.
You saw the struggles, but I don't know. We're moving on. We'll see how everything comes together.
Yeah.
So the next thing we're gonna move on to is our foundation. I'll be using the foundation brush that comes in the set.
We're assuming that's the foundation brush.
Yeah, this looks like it. And then I'll be using my regular Fenty foundation in the shade 420.
Yeah, I'll be using my Fenty foundation as well. Don't ask me the shade, I don't remember. The sponge that came in, I don't know if it's a little gift or if it comes with all of the orders. I'll just be using that sponge.
It looks like a real technique sponge, like the exact same. The brush is like really dense. Actually really like how this is blending. This is just one pump.
Okay, Spice.
I actually like this brush a lot. Like a lot. I've been using the Morphe M439, which is basically, if you guys can see the difference, hold on, let me set it. This is a brush that I'm used to using, and then this is a Spice brush. As you guys can see, they're both like super densely packed, but I actually prefer how the Spice one is blending right now. Yeah, I don't know why, because it's like it's super soft, so it doesn't give you that super hard feeling. This sponge is doing a good job. Another thing that I really like about this brush is the size. I feel like most foundation brushes are really humongous, and I have a very tiny forehead space, like as you guys can see. So when it comes to right here and like right above my eyebrows, I feel like this brush works like way better because it literally like glides in between here, and I can blend it. Alright, so that's it for the foundation. Really love the brush. The brush is literally perfect.
I think the brushes are great.
10 out of 10. Blending my foundation perfectly. No itches, nothing.
This powder brush I'm really excited to use because it is so soft. Alright, so I'm gonna use the same sponge to blend out my under eye highlight.
Why is everything falling? I keep on falling. Okay, so guys, I'm about to use this concealer brush. It's just a flat brush. I'm using my Fenty concealer in the shade 392.
It's just well. So
I'm gonna just, how does this work? I've never used this before, so I'm gonna assume you put it on this, hopefully. Alright, I'm gonna see how that applies. I don't think
yeah, I don't think you're supposed to blend that out.
Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to blend this out. I think this is mostly just for like laying the product down.
Oh wow.
I mean, I'm not gonna say it's a redundant step, but in my process it might be because I usually
just apply it directly on your face.
Yeah. Oh, this is making the Fenty concealer dry.
Oh wow, that blended out so well.
I'm just gonna go straight into blending with my beauty blender.
Alright, so I'm gonna set my face with my Fenty powder in honey using Spice's brush. It's really soft, really fluffy. So we're gonna see how it performs. Get it? Performs. Spice.
Are you fair?
You get it though, don't it?
Wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, good day. Welcome to Shooktown. Population me.
Yeah, I feel like it's applied too dry, and the way it's blending out is just not really.
It's not it.
Nah.
This fan brush is so sound. Let me show you guys my Morphe M10 and do a comparison. It's not as like fanned out, although I feel like this is just like this because of age. The Morphe one is not as dense. I'm gonna use the fan brush to apply my master chrome. Oh wow, these brushes are really nice.
Are you working on me?
Yeah, the usual. I'm gonna take sheet and put it under my brow bone.
And then I'm gonna go in with Spice, and then I'm gonna try and do that lower lash line thing she does. I think she used Spice. I'm just using a regular MAC 231 brush.
Okay.
Sorry,
Come through, designer. Oh Jesus.
It is stark white, Ariel. Use the genie or hip hop.
Hip hop helicopter. Hip hop helicopter. You guys know Harry the hip hop hamster? Hip hop Harry? You don't know hip hop
He
Harry?
wasn't a hamster.
What was he?
He was a bear.
No, he wasn't.
He was Harry the hip hop bear.
No, he was hip hop Harry, but he was a hamster.
He was a bear.
He was a hamster.
Hamster so big?
I'm sorry, Big Bird is that big?
He's a bear. Hip hop Harry is a bear.
Oh, okay, okay. Come through, hip hop.
Ooh. Wow, I have never done this, but I actually kind of like it. I actually kind of like it. Why do I like it? Why do I like it, Spice? Why do I like it?
Spice, what have you done to us?
Guys, I don't even wear color. If that's one thing that I love about this palette, the fact that I don't even wear color.
Yeah, it forces you to. Also, if Spice would like to come on and like teach us how to use her palette.
Yeah, because I feel like maybe
we are just idiots.
That's highly possible. Why do I really like the blue in the on the lower lash line, guys? Yo, Spice
like,
actually
even with
killed
it just
it.
right there.
Yes. Yes, I feel like this under eye thing, she's really onto something.
Oh my gosh.
She's
Spice,
really onto something.
I've never worn this much color on my eyes before. What have you done to us? We love it. We're back to that stage where I'm not doing anything and Sinara is still doing stuff.
Ooh,
guys, I
what?
just started a trend.
Ooh.
Colored eyeshadow just on the outer part.
So now we're just going to do our regular lip combos. You guys don't need to say this. You know, we'll be back with the final look.
Final thoughts. The brushes, we really love the brushes. They're very soft. They do really well for whatever purpose that we decided to use them for, except the concealer brush.
The only thing I had issues with was the concealer brush, and I feel like if you're a makeup artist, you'd probably appreciate it more.
Yeah.
But the doe foot applicator that I have on my concealer already was good enough. So.
Yeah. The palette, we're still on the fence. The colors are pretty. They're really nice. Just the glitters are a little bit difficult to work with.
Yeah, because just like looking at my eyes, I feel like it looks good now.
Yeah.
But to actually reach this point,
it took way too much.
Way too long. Just because I don't know if it's again because we're not familiar with these type of shadows, but for one, like just layering the shadows was an issue. Just to get them to stay was an issue. And then I wasn't going for a cut crease, but when I laid the shadow down and I tried to blend the edges a little, it literally went all the way up
to her eyebrow,
like to the top of where my crease color is, like to the top of my transition color. And it was just not, it was blending like glitter. It's very like a loose, like a looser pigment.
The three matte shades, we only used one.
Well, you used two.
I used Romantic Mood and Dancehall. I thought they were nice. They blended out really well.
Yeah, Romantic Mood
really well.
Really well.
You just need transition shades.
Yeah. Another thing is that there's 9 shimmers.
Yeah.
Like 9 shimmers and only 3 mattes. I feel like it's just like a topper palette, like a palette that you use along with like other palettes.
It's not a standalone palette.
Or like a beginner palette. I feel like if you're not exactly used to dealing with shimmers and mattes, or if you don't like understand the difference, then it's gonna be really difficult. Pigment of the palette colors though, like the pigment
is good. It's
perfect.
really good.
But I just feel like I just want another palette right now, just one with like 9 mattes and 3 shimmers.
Or maybe half and half. Six
or something like that.
Yeah. Their first palette. Packaging is nice. I think she did a good job.
Yeah.
The brushes, as you said, we love the brushes. $70 is a little steep.
It's a little steep because it's 9 brushes and there's only like 2 eyeshadow brushes, and I feel like if we're buying a brush palette, like people who buy brush like sets are usually like beginners or maybe makeup artists. So I feel like what you actually use brushes for, like eyeshadow blending, I feel like you need way more than that.
Yeah, definitely.
But the brushes itself, like in terms of quality, 10 out of 10. The foundation brush is definitely gonna be my go-to brush right now.
The fan brush, I really love the fan brush. The packaging, we really like the packaging. The piano theme, because you know music, and the mic theme, really good. Love that.
I feel like everything was unique to her. Even the colors that she chose, I feel like it was unique to her. I would love to see her with like highlighters, because I feel like if her shimmers are this pigmented, and I feel like if she came up with like highlighters and stuff,
I definitely would.
I would definitely buy it, because these shimmers are extremely pigmented. But yeah guys, thanks so much for tuning in.
We'll see you guys in our next video. Shout out to Spice if you wanna collab. Description.
I forgot still.
True, we look beard.
We look really good. Like
we look beard.
The blue underneath my eye, this can't wipe off. God knows.
She said can't wipe off.
This can't wipe off.
Like ever. You're gonna sleep in it.
Brenda, look at that pump water, aqua.
Excuse me. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.